Fix Shopify website showing security warning. What this error means, a security warning, e.g. not secure or red padlock, means your SSL certificate is missing, invalid, or not properly configured. Visitors may see warnings like, your connection is not private, the site is not secure, proceed with caution. Step-by-step fix. 1. Check SSL status in Shopify admin. Go to Settings Domains. Look at your domain's status. Should say SSL available or SSL active. If it says SSL pending or not secure, follow the steps below. 2. Correct your DNS records. To enable SSL, DNS records must be correctly set at your domain registrar. Record type, host points to a record at 23.227.38.65. CNAME, www.shops.myshopify.com. Don't use URL forwarding or masking. It will break SSL and trigger security warnings. 3. Wait for SSL propagation, 24 to 48 hours. After fixing DNS, it may take up to 48 hours for Shopify to activate your SSL. You'll see SSL pending during this time. 4. Remove and reconnect the domain if stuck. If SSL stays pending too long, go to Domains, Remove Domain, re-add it again. This resets SSL provisioning. 5. Avoid external redirect loops. If you're using Cloudflare or a domain service with forwarding, disable their HTTPS redirection. Set Cloudflare SSL to not flexible. 6. Clear browser and DNS cache. Clear cookies and browser cache. Flush DNS for Windows, ipconfig /flush DNS. Shopify support. If SSL doesn't activate within 48 hours, help.shopify.com, SEO